The Bosch dishwasher error code E08 indicates low water levels inside the washer. This issue can be caused by a few common problems, including a clogged inlet screen, a closed faucet, or a faulty float switch. To fix the error, start by checking the inlet screen. To do this, switch off the machine, remove the bottom rack of the dishwasher, and locate the filter. Remove the filter and soak it in warm water with a degreasing agent. Then scrub it with a soft brush and rinse with clean running water. After cleaning the filter, wipe the filter housing, reinstall the filter, and put the bottom rack back in the dishwasher. Next, check the faucets to ensure they are open, as a closed faucet can also trigger the error code. Finally, check the float switch by testing for continuity. If the switch is faulty, consider replacing it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue and get your dishwasher working properly again.